light and variable winds. Friday, west winds around 5 knots. Friday night, north. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County in central North Carolina, southeastern Davidson County in central North Carolina, northern Anson County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, northwestern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Randolph County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Randleman to near Plyler, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Siler City, Batting Lake, North Carolina Zoo, Biscoe, Ansonville, and Goldston. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for